Hello students, Muhammad Ahmad here and welcome to my YouTube channel The Career Train. In today's video we learn how to request acceptance letter from professors. As we know, when we applying for a foreign scholarship, first we receive an acceptance letter from our professors and then applying for a university or for that specific scholarship. So in today's video, I will teach you how to request acceptance letter from professors, and I also provide free templates and how you make your cover letter or an email body. So let's start our video. Following things you have to keep in mind when you request to a professor for an acceptance letter. First of all, you have to research and explore universities. You have to explore universities in which you want to apply. Suppose if we talk about the CST scholarship, then you target your relevant universities which is related to your field of study. And then after targeting relevant universities, then you locate faculty or professors, directors. Suppose I selected one of the university under CSE scholarship. Now I locate my relevant faculty. Suppose I am a student of biotechnology, so I locate that faculty which offer biotechnology related courses, and then I gather emails of the professors who teach that course which is relevant to my interest, which is relevant to my research, and then prepare an effective CV. I already make a detailed video that how you prepare an effective CV for a scholarship. And at the end, you have to craft a persuasive cover letter or an email body. So, how you write an email cover letter and how you introduce yourself in email to professors. So, for this, I will make a templates for you, and on this website free templates are available. From there you know how you represent yourself in a in an email, or how to request acceptance letter from professors. The link of the website also mentioned in the description. Just click on it and download the free templates and write an email to get an acceptance letter and begin your application process. So hope you will understand the whole process. If you face any difficulty, do let me know in comment section, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.